How do you find great product ideas to sell on Amazon here in Australia? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple strategy and a really great product category too to help you find all the products that you would need to sell on Amazon here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure out what to sell on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. What tax implications are there for investing for me, says Evangeline.
Let me get back to that one. We need to. I think we need to discuss us four if you're ESIC eligible as well. I think you should tick quite a few of the boxes. We'll do that assessment before we launch.
Okay. And for everybody who's like, what the hell is ESIC? Can you quickly explain what that is, please?
Yes. So essentially, it's a sort of tax break and sort of limits the loss you might make on a startup.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.